Hey there. Imagine this. What if I told you that you could start making real income online using just a laptop and your phone, without any fancy degrees, without any coding skills, and without spending thousands of dollars up front? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal some of the most effective strategies that are working right now for people who are earning money online using AI digital tools and smart content creation. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to AI Income Hub because I share weekly insights that could literally change your financial game. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update that could boost your income. Trust me, you'll want to be part of this journey. Okay, let's start by talking about one of the fastest growing ways people are earning money online today. AI content creation. Think about it. Every single day, millions of videos, blogs, and social media posts are being created. But what if you could make this process faster, smarter, and more profitable using AI tools? From generating viral YouTube video descriptions to crafting eye-catching thumbnail text ideas, AI can save you hours of work and help you focus on what really matters, growing your audience and converting views into income. And here's the kicker. These tools are not just for tech experts. Even beginners can jump in, learn a few tricks, and start producing high-quality content that gets noticed. Now, let's break it down. Imagine you want to create a YouTube video that goes viral. Most people spend hours brainstorming, writing, and tweaking descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. But what if you could input just a few simple prompts into an AI tool and get a complete bundle of optimized descriptions, title ideas, and thumbnail texts that are ready to use? This is exactly what the top creators are doing today. And the best part is, you can start this within a few minutes. No expensive software needed. For example, you could generate a YouTube description like, "Learn how to use AI to boost your income in 2026. Step-by-step tips, tools, and strategies for beginners and pros alike." Don't miss out. And paired with a thumbnail text like "Earn $500 daily with our I Know skills needed," you're already increasing your chances of clicks and watch time. I know some of you might be thinking, okay, but will it really work for me? The truth is, success depends on how you use these tools. AI can give you the structure, the ideas, and even the words. But your creativity, storytelling, and consistency are what turn views into loyal subscribers. This is exactly why at AI Income Hub, we focus not just on making content, but on creating content that connects with your audience emotionally. Imagine telling a story where viewers feel like you're talking directly to them. This is the secret behind those videos that keep people watching for 20 minutes or more. And yes, that's exactly what we're going to teach you to do today. Let's go a bit deeper. One of the best methods to increase your watch time is to use storytelling hooks throughout your video. Start with an engaging problem or scenario, like imagine waking up one day, checking your phone, and seeing that you've earned $200 overnight without doing anything. That's attention-grabbing. Then, slowly reveal the steps or secrets behind it. Break it down into short, digestible points, and sprinkle in personal anecdotes or examples. This keeps your audience engaged because they feel like they're on a journey with you, not just listening to a lecture. And remember, your tone should always be conversational, explaining this to a friend over coffee rather than reading a textbook. Another major factor that drives watch time is using real-life examples of AI in action. For instance, let's talk about AI prompts bundles. Think of these as pre-packaged sets of prompts that guide AI tools to create content for you. You can have a bundle specifically for YouTube video ideas, another for descriptions, another for social media captions, and even AI-generated thumbnail ideas. Once you understand how to use them, it's like having a content machine at your fingertips. And the best part, these bundles can help you target trending topics that are already in demand, giving you a head start over competitors who are still brainstorming manually. Now, while AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, it's also important to understand the psychology behind what makes people click, watch, and share. This is where your storytelling and emotional connection come in. You want your videos to be relatable, actionable, and slightly suspenseful, so viewers feel compelled to watch until the end. For example, in one part of the video, you might tease a secret trick that most people don't know about AI content creation and reveal it a few minutes later. This creates anticipation, which naturally increases watch time. And here's a little insider tip. Engagement doesn't stop at watch time. Comments and shares are just as crucial. Make your audience feel like part of a community. Ask them questions like, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Or, if you could automate one part of your content creation, what would it be? This encourages people to comment, which tells YouTube's algorithm that your video is engaging. And don't forget to remind them to share with friends who might also benefit, because sharing expands your reach and increases the likelihood of your video going viral. Let's talk thumbnails for a moment, because this is often overlooked but massively important. The thumbnail is your first impression. A clear, bold text overlay paired with an intriguing image can increase clicks dramatically. For AI-generated thumbnails, you can use prompts like create a bright, eye-catching thumbnail for a video about earning money online with AI, including bold text that says $500 daily, using anything. Even small tweaks, like making the text more readable or using contrasting colors, can make a huge difference in click-through rates. And when your thumbnail matches your story, viewers are more likely to stay until the end, which again boosts watch time. Consistency is another key ingredient. The more often you upload high-quality AI-assisted content, the more likely your channel is to grow. This doesn't mean posting randomly. It means creating a schedule your audience can rely on. For example, you could post one video on AI tools every Tuesday and another on money-making strategies every Friday. Over time, viewers start to anticipate your content, which builds loyalty and increases average watch duration. And yes, at AI Income Hub, we emphasize smart content planning because it's better to post less frequently but maintain quality than to post every day with mediocre results. Tools are fantastic. Never underestimate the power of your voice and personality. Your viewers come for the value, but they stay for your authenticity. Speak clearly, smile while recording, and let your energy shine through. Even if you're explaining complex strategies, break them down into simple, step-by-step instructions and give relatable examples. This conversational approach keeps viewers engaged and more likely to trust your recommendations, which translates to more likes, shares, and long-term subscribers. By now, you might be wondering which specific AI tools to start with. There are several user-friendly platforms that can help you generate video scripts, descriptions, thumbnail ideas, and even social media captions in minutes. Some are free, some offer premium features, but the key is to experiment, see what works for your audience, and refine your approach over time. Remember, it's not about using every tool available. It's about using the right tools efficiently to maximize your results. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the power of combining AI prompts with viral trends. When you spot a trending topic, you can feed it into your AI tool, along with a prompt like, create a compelling YouTube description that grabs attention and encourages watch time. For a video about trending topic, this ensures your content is timely, relevant, and optimized for engagement. Pair this with a catchy thumbnail and an intriguing hook, and your chances of going viral increase exponentially. Finally, I want to remind you to interact with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. Encourage viewers to share your videos with friends and family, because the more people engage with your content, the more the algorithm pushes it to new audiences. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because at AI Income Hub, we're all about helping you turn AI into income, and we've got so much more to share in the upcoming videos. So, there you have it. Using AI for YouTube content creation isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. By combining AI prompts bundles, storytelling, optimized thumbnails, and strategic engagement tactics, you can grow your channel faster than ever before. Start experimenting today, stay consistent, and always focus on delivering real value to your audience. And as you do, remember to comment below what strategy you're going to try first and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's grow together, and I can't wait to see your results.